New spicy chicken sandwich from Wendy's and the chicken tenders. There it is in all its beauty. No, we gotta hit it with a naked bite first. Not gonna lie, it's pretty dry. The bun is good. As far as the chicken sandwich goes, that chicken is dry. Let's see if some ranch will help. Obviously the ranch helped, but even with the ranch, the dryness just comes through. Let's try their tenders. Naked bite first. Their tender is way better than their chicken sandwich. Now I'm wondering, maybe their chicken sandwich is just dry because they made their chicken tenders fresh, but not their sandwich. They made me wait a while just because of the chicken tenders, they told me. So maybe if the chicken sandwich was fresh, it wouldn't be as dry as it is. Just have to go back to Wendy's tomorrow. Look at that bite. No, that's delicious, bro. Probably the same chicken they're using in their sandwich. So their sandwich has to be really good fresh. I'm so happy I waited for the tenders. Delicious. Kind of looks like salmon. These fries are smacking right now. I just wish I had a little bit more sauce. The late night meal, that wasn't bad. The chicken sandwich could have been better, but at least the tenders were fresh and juicy. Love you all, stay blessed, stay beautiful, and I'm gonna catch you on the next one.